Bags of spoiled food dumped out under the sink paint a picture of the power outage's impact, lasting more than a week for some Douglas County residents.
There's over like 65,000 people that are food insecure in that area. So just doing the basic math, we know that people are losing food that were really dependent on buying that with SNAP.
For people already receiving SNAP or summer EBT, the Department of Health and Human Services is offering replacement of those benefits for food spoiled. To qualify, your fridge must have been without power for 4 hours and freezer for more than 24. You must also report it within 10 days of power restoration.
It's there to help them out to repurchase that food that was lost in the disaster or the power outage. That way they can hopefully make their household whole again.
Replacement SNAP is not the same as Disaster SNAP.
Disaster SNAP is a completely separate program. It's not offered at this time as there has to be a federal disaster declared.
Voices for Children says that's confused people. People without SNAP think they qualify just because food's spoiled. Meanwhile, people who do are unaware it's an option. Katie Nungasur says SNAP users are facing barriers to applying too.
Call DHS, and people are reporting that the wait times are an hour, 2 hour, 3 hours to get a hold of someone.
She says the short deadline makes it challenging for people to find the time.
Unfortunately, that's what's in the regulation, so it does have to be 10 days from when the power was restored.
How much of your benefits gets replaced is on a case-by-case basis. Nungasur says food banks are another resource for replacing what SNAP can't, like Heartland Hope Mission.
Tuesday night for our pantry, about 50% of the people that came through were here because they had lost their power and needed food.
They expect this to continue through Saturday.
So what we're doing is providing some additional food resources on top of our normal pantries for those families that lost food.
If you do plan to apply for replacement, first clarify with the representative on the phone or at the office. It's for replacement and not Disaster SNAP. You should also have the name of your power provider, address, and dollar amount of the food you've lost in your fridge and freezer ready. Voices for Children also encourages spreading the word so people know about the replacement program on social media. Jessica Perez, KETV, News Watch 7.